State asida thokliba erang asida drone bombing Toukhide Amadi Kuki Militant Changsillakhibagi Wapham Leite haina Indian Army gi Chief General Upendra Dwivedi na phongdokrai. Indian Army na Center for Land Warfare Studies ka kusamnaduna Delhi da pangthokpa Sanakya Defense Dialogue lisingni kunmarige interview amada General Upendra Dwivedi na phongdokhibada state asida erang haurakhiba asida Anglo Kuki War Centenary Gate mai thadokle haina lana sandokpadagi haurakibani. Lana wafam kaya sandoktuna muknariba nakalani maki miyam da hena sahwanba amadi kuthongnabagi sangwangkhan hanki. Adubu Indian Army amsung Assam Rifles na ungkhanariba asi hantahana bahonari. Manipur gi issue asi yamna complex oiba issue ni masida lebak asi yoina mapungoiba thorang ama paikhatuna loisinbagi tangai phadaba adumak leiri. Puarigi tangka kya dagi Manipur gi asoba issue kya leiri masi tapna loisingadabani. Hojik tholiba erang asi hantahanduna tangdu leitaba phibam purakna bahonari adubu matamdi sangkhigani. General Upendra na makha taraduna erang asigi manungda lakhiba khulai singi sada kun mangadi khongatpa ngamle loinana lanjana kiba myoi lesing humpurom leiramba adu hojik lesing nipuda hantarakle. Adubu hojiksu nakal anina nakpak tanabagi amadi kuthokna ba yabagi phibamdi hantarakpa oidri haiki. Myanmar gi Changsillakhpa illegal immigrants singi oina Myanmar dasu tangdu leitadaba phibam leibana khara saphagadaba mafam sing maroina Mizoram amasung Manipur da Changsillaktuna leibani. Makoida center na sana thangnaba amadi leifamgi mating piri makha tanasu Myanmar gi phibam phagalaktuna maramda handriba fawbadi mating pangkhigini haina General Upendra na phongdokhi.
We should not allow wrong narratives to be built up. For example, there was a narrative of the bomb drones. We have gone on ground and checked up, there is no bomb drone. There was another wrong narrative which was said 900 anti-national elements have infiltrated. We checked up, there is nothing like that. So if we control that, I think things will be all right. Now what we are talking about, the external support. As far as the external support is concerned, Myanmar is having its own problem. When we are having their own problem, what happens? They also have some people who are getting displaced. When they're getting displaced, where will they go? They will only go to those places which are peaceful and ready to accept them. And that's what is happening in Mizoram and Manipur.